Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to block or hide a program from internet access. And to block or hide a program from accessing internet, here in the left bottom corner click on this internet start icon, and in search bar at the very top type in Windows Defender, and then you will see this first Windows Defender firewall. You just click into that one. Here on the left hand side you will see advanced settings. Just click in these advanced settings. And again here in the left hand side you will see inbound rules. Just click on inbound rules, and here you will see all inbound rules which you already have on your computer, guys. But what we need to do here on the right hand side, we need to create a new rule to block some particular application which we wouldn't want to be accessed by internet, whether it's an Acrobat or Photoshop or any other program. In this video I will be blocking or showing you how to block Photoshop from accessing internet. This means that whenever you will be using Photoshop, internet will not be able to access it. So any applications from outside which are trying to access your application will not be able to connect. So let's click on new rule, and here make sure that you have selected this program, as we are trying to block the program from accessing internet. So click next, and here all we need to do is select which program we would like to block, guys. Here click on browse, here Windows C, and here you have your program files. As you can see, here you have program files here and program files 86. We need program files, guys. Just click in program files, and if you have Adobe applications or any other applications which you have here on your computer, you can find them here in these folders. And like I mentioned, I will be blocking Photoshop, so this is in Adobe. So all my Adobe applications would be here, like any other application which is related to Adobe would be in this folder. So let's click into it, and I will be blocking Adobe Photoshop. So let's click on it, and here you need to find application file. As you can see, Photoshop application. So this means that I am blocking internet access for Photoshop. So click on it and click on open. And once this is open, click here on next. This is the program which you are going to block, which is photoshop.exe or photoshop.executable file, which means that whenever you are clicking or opening Photoshop on your local computer, this is executing and installing or pretty much setting up Photoshop on your computer. And then click next, and here in this screen you will see this very bottom one, this selection blocks the connection. Just click on this one and click on next, and here you make sure that these all are checked. When does this rule apply? When domain, private or public, and then click next, and here you simply give any name you want, how you want this rule to be called. I can call it PS for Photoshop and block. You can generate name, whatever name you would like to do, guys. I will also show you how to unblock this in a second, but this is, as you see, PS block. That's how I call it. You can call or give it any other name which you would like for this rule to be, guys, and then click on finish, and your application will be blocked from internet access. Just restart your computer and this will take place. But now if you would like to unblock it, as you can see, inbound rules. If we go back here in inbound rules, you will see PS block. This is here, guys, at the very top. This is the rule which we just created, and as you can see, this is currently enabled. If you would like to unblock it, you just left click on this rule. As you see, you can click on disable rule, guys, and that rule will be disabled. This means that this is not active now. If we right click again on it, we can delete this rule. This means that if you don't want anymore to block this particular program from accessing internet, you click on delete, and that rule, are you sure you want to delete this rule? You click on yes. So yes, guys, this was quick video how you can block any program. You just select which program you would like to block or hide from internet access, and hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.